Hi, are you frustrated with trying to figure out how to attract more clients to work with you and invest in your services? This is a common problem from so many brilliantly talented service-based entrepreneurs who haven't learned how to effectively position themselves in order to have clients want to actually work with them. So I'm going to show you some secrets that I've learned to help you quickly and easily position and market yourself as the go-to person in your niche. So that makes your client attraction so much easier. My name is Desiree Stafford. I am a business and breakthrough expert, and I share these strategies with my personal clients. And I want to share them with you on this complimentary training. So all you have to do is enter your name and email address right here on this page, and I'll send you details on how you can participate. Let me just tell you, it's going to be a lot of fun, but you're also going to get easy to implement strategies that you can start implementing right away, okay? So once you start doing this, once you start making your client attraction process so much easier, it means you're going to start generating more cash flow into your business on a consistent basis. And that's something that we all want and need. And in addition to that, I'm going to show you how to position yourself as the go-to expert so that you can actually do a lot less work, so that you can make more money in your business and still have the time freedom to actually enjoy your life. So I can't wait to share these details with you. All you have to do is put your name and email address right here on this page, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.